Hello students, today in the class we learn about nutrition in amoeba. In the first two classes we had learned about nutrition, types of nutrition and modes of nutrition. In the second we had learned about photosynthesis, its chemical reaction and the process. Now we learn about nutrition in amoeba. First point that is to be noted that amoeba is a unicellular organism. Unicellular organism, or it is a single-celled organism. This you might have learned in class 9th, and it lives in water. It lives in water. We learn about the second or the digestion process. The digestion or process of amoeba. And that process is called phagocytosis. The process is called phagocytosis. So we learn about the digestion process of amoeba. Amoeba doesn't have a particular structure. It is a single-celled organism. It has one nucleus and the liquid or the matrix which is present in this is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So when a food particle comes near amoeba, it changes its structure. It changes its structure and brings to finger-like projections. जैसे ही कोई फूड पार्टिकल पास में आता है, अमीबा अपना स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करके फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस उसको वो बनाता है और इस फूड पार्टिकल को वो कैप्चर कर लेता है. ये पूरा एक्सटेंड होके ये इसको कैप्चर कर लेगा. नाउ दीज फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस, दीज आर कॉल्ड सूडोपोडिया. सूडोपोडिया. These are the finger-like projections. अब ये जो फूड पार्टिकल ये जो कर रहा है, इसको ये कैप्चर करता है. Now the food particle enters the body of amoeba. Now the food particle is in the body of amoeba. It creates a food vacuole. पूरा एक empty space या फिर एक temporary stomach. Is created in the body of amoeba. Now the process of digestion begins. The process of digestion has already begun. The first process was ingestion. We had learned process of nutrition का हमने पढ़ा था. First process is ingestion, that is taking in food. Second video में हमने इसके बारे में पढ़ा था. The first process is ingestion, the taking in of food. Now the second process is digestion. The food vacuole which is ingested is now digested in the body of the amoeba itself. Amoeba के body में ही ये पूरा food digest होगा. That is the second process. Third process is absorption. ये जो food अभी digest किया है उसका energy पूरा इस body में absorb होगा. अमीबा अब्सॉर्ब करेगा उस एनर्जी को अपने प्रोसेसेस के लिए. Assimilation. We had learned it is the using of the energy which is provided by the food particle. तो जो भी एनर्जी इस फूड पार्टिकल प्रोवाइड कर रही है वो ये यूज करेगा, अमीबा यूज करेगा फॉर इट्स growth. The amoeba और बिगर होगा, या फिर वो अपना ग्रोथ करने के लिए, या फिर उस प्रोसेस को हम एसिमिलिएशन बोलते हैं। एंड द लास्ट इज एक्सक्रीशन। The waste material of the food is excreted out by the amoeba from any pore. वो एक ओपनिंग कहीं पर भी करेगा और वो उस एक्सेस मटेरियल को excrete out करेगा, then it will close its pore again. This is the process of excretion. So these 5 steps include the nutrition in amoeba. Now similarly, there is one more structure, that is paramecium. This also you might have learned in class 9th itself. Paramecium is similar type of structure. It is also a single celled organism. There is one nucleus, cytoplasm. Similar type of process as of the amoeba, a similar type of process occurs in the paramecium. But the difference is it has cilia on its body. पैरामीशियम के ऊपर स्मॉल हेयर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस होते हैं, हेयर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस, these are called cilia. These hair like projections are called cilia. अब what does the paramecium do? Amoeba doesn't have a particular mouth, but the cilia has a पर्टिकुलर माउथ. उसका एक पर्टिकुलर ओपनिंग होता है, वो सिर्फ वहीं से फूड इंजेस्ट करता है. सो दिस हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज यूज्ड टू स्वाइप इन और स्वीप इन द फूड पार्टिकल विच इज इन द वाटर इटसेल्फ. जो पानी में जो फूड पार्टिकल घूम रहा होगा उसको ये हेयर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन से वो अपने माउथ के अंदर को इंजेस्ट कर लेगा. दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंजेशन इन केस ऑफ पैरामीशियम. इंजेशन ऐसे होता है कि मतलब जो भी हेयर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस है वो इसको यूज करके इस फूड पार्टिकल को अंदर की तरफ स्वीप इन कर ले. एंड द प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूज as it had happened in the case of amoeba. Ingestion के बाद digestion, absorption, assimilation and last excretion. The same process continues.